Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on accidental touch protection function in Samsung Galaxy A55. This option should be turned on by default, but if it's not, we need to go to Settings. Then we are looking for Display Options menu. Next, we are looking for, here it is, Accidental Touch Protection. What does this function do exactly? We have short explanation here. Protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place, such as a pocket or a bag. So we need to turn it on here, and that's basically it. No need to save, we can simply go back to our home screen, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.